Have you destroyed your Instagram Explore feed, or you're at a point where you cannot open Instagram in front of anyone? Don't worry, buddy, we've all been there. Well, Instagram has just introduced a reset button which would allow you to wipe the slate clean. And in this video, we're going to discuss how you can reset your Instagram's algorithm so that you don't see those feeding videos anymore on your Explore feed. Without further ado, let's get started with how you can reset your Instagram's algorithm. First up, go ahead and click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Now I'm using an iPhone to show you how this is done, but the steps should be similar on an Android device as well. After this, scroll down and you should see something called suggested content. Go ahead and click on that. Click on reset suggested content. Click on next. And on this screen, you would be able to choose the accounts that you follow. If you want to unfollow anyone, you could do that right here from this screen. You can also go ahead and see who are the most shown accounts in your home feed. So if you wanted to unfollow anyone who's on there, you could do this from this screen itself. Once you're done with that, you can also ask Instagram to show you less ads of a specific topic. And then once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on reset suggested content to confirm your action. Well, this would reset your Explore and home feed. So now you can go ahead and build your Explore feed again, brick by brick. To be honest, I just did it to see how much time it takes for me to mess it up again. If you're someone who's returning to this video to see how it's done, make sure to comment how much time it took you to mess up your feed again. Just some additional tips to keep yourself in check whenever you see a sus reel. Just go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right and then click on not interested button to hide the posts that you do not want to see. This would train your algorithm to not show you content that you don't want to see. You could also start following accounts and topics that create content you're interested in, starting with me. Yeah, go ahead and follow if you're still on this page. And that's about it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.